now here we are in my terrace and I'm going up in the rain during solar eclipse. During solar eclipse, I'm going to get wet in the rain. So let's do it. So I'm right now here in my terrace, on my terrace, like to watch out for the solar eclipse. If I can see with my bare eyes, because it's raining, but it's not the case. Okay, right now I'm standing on the terrace and I'm enjoying rain, and forget about the solar eclipse because I cannot see that. Obviously, so guys, I'm going to make sure that you enjoy this video throughout the video. Yes, it's a small one, but yes, I'm going to read for you. Yes, so guys, as like joy is over for me, it's been like 45 minutes. I cannot get a glimpse of the solar eclipse in this weather, but still I enjoyed a lot. Rain satisfies me. Yeah. Please don't forget to like my channel and subscribe to me, and also please ensure that you hit the like button and bell button. Yes, for sure. Okay, and the second thing I want to ask you guys that what you want me to make videos on as per you like. Please suggest some of the things that you want me to do videos on. So till then, stay tuned to my channel and I will be coming with new videos as if you are suggested. So till then, bye bye.